Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the online class of EVS. Dear students, I hope that you all have done all the work and you all are good. Okay, I hope that you all are learning and preparing for the second semester exams. So, dear students, in the previous session we have started a new chapter, chapter 11, our neighborhood. And in that we read about the difference between the neighbor and neighborhood. So who is neighbors? The people living around us, they are called neighbors. And who are neighborhood? Neighborhood is the area, okay, where the houses are. Okay, the area is called neighborhood, and the person who is living in that area, they all are neighbors. And also we have completed the topic post office, bank and market and school. 4 topics we have learned in the previous session. Okay, post office, again going to revise it. So listen carefully. Post office, it is a place where we go to buy stamps, envelopes and postcard. Also we send letters through a post office and money orders, parcels. So this is the use of the post office. Now bank is a place where we go to keep our money safe, and also we can deposit and withdraw our money from the bank. Okay, and also we take loans from the bank. Then market. A market is a place where there is a variety of shops like grocery shop, stationery shop, chemist shop, garment shop, greengrocer, milk booth, etc., etc., etc. Okay, grocery shop, we buy food items and small household things. Stationery shop, we buy pencils, pens, books, notebooks from the stationery shop. Garment shop, we buy clothes from a garment shop. Then chemist shop, we buy medicines from the chemist shop. Greengrocer shop, we buy fruits and vegetables from the greengrocer shop. Milk booth, we buy milk and milk product from the milk booth. And the last topic was school. Okay. School is a learning place where we go to study, to play, to learn, to enjoy. Teacher teaches in the school. We also learn, except studying, we also learn sports, music, arts, dance. So all these things we learn from the school. So all 4 topics we have already completed in the previous session. Now today in this session we are going to start the new topic, emergency relief services. Emergency relief services. This is the new topic, and in this topic we are going to study about first topic, that is hospitals. Hospitals. Okay? Hospitals. This is the topic, emergency relief services. In that we will study about hospitals. Okay, we will study about hospital. So all of you please open page number 68. I am going to read it. Hospital is a place where we go when we are sick or injured. Okay, a hospital has many doctors and nurses. They help us to get well soon. Okay. A hospital has an emergency vehicle called an ambulance. To take the sick or injured people to the hospital in case of any emergency. A small neighborhood usually has a clinic, and the clinic has a doctor to treat us and give us medicines when we fall sick. This is the paragraphs which is given in your book. So dear students, hospital is a, just see the picture of the hospital. Can you see the picture of the hospital? So this is a hospital, okay? And it is a place where we go when we fall sick or when we got hurt. At that time we go to the hospital. A hospital has many doctors and nurses. A hospital has many doctors and many nurses. And they both help us to get well soon. Okay? Then a hospital also has an emergency vehicle. It has an emergency vehicle called an ambulance. Okay? And this ambulance is to take the sick or injured people to the hospital in case of an emergency. So, a small neighborhood usually has a clinic, and this clinic has a doctor, okay, it has a doctor to treat us and gives us medicines when we fall sick. Clear? My dear students, I hope that you have understood the meaning of hospital, okay? The meaning of hospital, definition of hospital, and the things which we get in the hospital. Also, I am going to show you a short video. Just enjoy the video.
Hospital. Hospital. So, dear students, this is the picture of hospital. Hospital. Okay, and here is an ambulance. Ambulance. Can you see the ambulance? This is the picture of an ambulance. And let's go inside the hospital. A sick person is going to the emergency room, and this is an emergency room. Emergency room. This is here. Can you see the surgeons? They are doing the operation. They are surgeons. Surgeon. Operation room. Then let's go to the wardroom. Okay, this is a wardroom. 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 Then in the hospital only there is a doctor's office. Can you see the picture of doctor's office? Here is the picture of doctor's office. Doctor treats the patient. Doctor. And doctor treats the patient with the help of stethoscope. Stethoscope. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is having an injection. Thermometer. Can you see the image of thermometer? Doctor and nurses, they treats the patient. Patient. And they give the medicines. They give the medicine. And this medicine recover our body.
So dear students, welcome back. Have you enjoyed the video? Yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Now, after watching this video, what do you understand? That hospital is our neighborhood, and it is a place where we go when we fall sick. Okay, we fall sick or injured. Okay, and in the hospital many doctors and nurses are there. Then in the hospital wardroom is there, operation theatre, they all gives us a proper treatment and makes comfortable in the hospital. Okay, so my dear students, this much is one topic is enough in this session. So till then, read the chapter, study well, take care, have a nice day, bye bye, thank you.